Hi there, and welcome to Tina's Tips. Today we're going to talk about getting your daily supplements and hopefully making it easier for you and your lifestyle to be able to take the Lifelong Vitality and some of the other supplements that you might be taking to help with your health. So here we go. This is one of my favorites that I bought is a little $15 spice rack. It comes in white, silver, and black. Black worked best for us, but I can pull down my supplements instead of like trying to shuffle through all the bottles, and I'm a little on the height challenged side. So not being able to see everything that was in the back, etc. And it tucks up nicely into the cabinet as well. Be able to pull it down to where I can reach it, put it back up where it needs to go, and keep it organized. So for women, this is an easy way to get all your supplements put in your suitcase or carried in your purse. Be able to carry those easily when you're traveling or in day-to-day life. Like this little box can be very decorative, something that you carry around just your current daily supply. The next one I have is, this is what I actually use right now, is I take half of a protein bar to be able to have something in my stomach for my supplements. And I just cut a protein bar in half, put it in a Ziploc baggie with my supplements, and take it with me on my way to work with a glass of water. So another nice little Vera Wang purse type that you can take, a little pouch type that you can take. Plenty of different ways to do this. For men, I find that this one is a favorite. It's a keychain. These are all keychains with single storage areas. This one has 3 storage areas, and there's some that have 4. So with that, you can take, whether you're doing your supplements 3 times a day or 4 times a day, easy way for guys. And it doesn't look like you're taking a lot of pills or something. It's just your keychain, and it looks rather manly. So the next one I have there is, this is actually what my husband does, is he just keeps it out in the bathroom for him getting started in the morning. He can take his right from the bottle, or like the women, there's different travel arrangements you can make for your supplements to be able to not have to take all the bottles, just put them in their days and wrap it up for travel. Teens, this is my daughter's setup. She has a lot fewer, so this is a 7 days. The little white button, basically when you push it, it goes to the next compartment, and you open up the little side pocket here and get your pills out. When you're ready to refill, you take the lid off, you put the stuff back in, and start all over again. So we have this in the orange and the pink and lime green. So that works well for her. Yeah, we'll throw it in a backpack or keep it out in her bathroom counter to keep it from getting all wet and that kind of stuff too. Again, many more options. These are 2 different options. This one is like a plastic purse, and this one is as well, but it comes in different colors. Many choices when it comes to how you want to put this into your lifestyle, but you need to make it easy or you're not going to do it. So I like this one as well, that you can keep on the counter, and you take one of them out, and you can use, the 2 different compartments for morning and evening. And it has a little cut in the top that you can barely see down here, but basically what that is just so that you can push the pills from the top and just push them in. I'd probably open it to do that, but and then this one comes in a stack, so you can keep the stack and just pull out the next one as you go along. And there's still more. So my parents use these pouches. They can do 2 weeks at a time, and the pouches for each day, they have 3 in each one of these instead of just 1, so that they can have a morning, a midday, and an evening one for them as well. And then you can go morning, noon, evening, and bedtime. You can take on a whole organizer here. I've even seen them done by the calendar month. So do what works best for you as far as making sure that you're getting your supplements. Take the time to organize them, get them to where they're easy for you to pick up in the morning and go, or they're easy for you to find and use. Anyway, this is Tina's Tips. Hope you had a great day.